When your chickens demand free time. Everybody out. Go ahead, ladies. Come on. They're the youngest ones right now, so they're a little weary of everybody else. Maybe they'll do it on their own. Why are we so loud? No idea. She said I'll get there when I can. I guess they'll come out when they're good and ready. Or maybe just have fun in there without everybody else bothering them. Everybody's out. Digging up where they can. Still under construction, so I don't mind that they're ripping out patches of dirt and grass. I'm just gonna redo everything anyway, all around there. You see all those patches of dirt, so I'm not too upset. Already got the seeds planned. And my watchdog just loves sitting there and chewing up her pieces of wood. Right, Shadow? Yep, good girl. Those are our last two babies that we're adding to the flock for a while.